Getting first subscribers on YouTube is a very complex topic discussed worldwide. We are sure you're all eager to see your subscriber count shoot up, but how exactly do you go from 0 to 100, to 1000, or to even more? Gaining your first YouTube subscribers is a thrilling milestone in any content creator's journey, but it's often the toughest one to achieve. However, with the right strategies and tactics, it's absolutely within your reach. In this guide, we're going to share a 5-step strategy to help you secure those initial subscribers who will form the core of your loyal viewership. Watch till the end and make sure to consider every single step when you decide to apply them to your channel. 1. Recommend it to your friends. We'll consider you have already found your niche. It may not seem a very strategical point to start with because you'll definitely wish to build your audience based on your niche, which your comrades may not be familiar with. But we consider that many successful YouTubers added their first brick on the wall by using the closest support around them. They will be more than happy to recommend it further, so this may bring you a couple of subscribers, good enough to boost your morale to proceed to step 2, which is focus on titles and thumbnails. YouTube is a very complex world in which hundreds of thousands of videos are being posted every day. It has, like any other searching engine, an algorithm that we could consider as being the heart of YouTube because it has the role of pumping the right videos to the right audience. People are drove by curiosity when they search something, so the better your thumbnail is made and the catchy the title is, the higher are the chances that they will consider your videos worthy of watching and therefore subscribing. 3. Learn about keywords and hashtags. They may seem like small details, but they play an integral role in how your content gets discovered on YouTube's vast platform. By identifying relevant keywords and incorporating them into your video titles, descriptions, and even your script, you can significantly increase the visibility of your videos in search results. It's important to ensure that the keywords you use are relevant and accurately represent your video's content. Hashtags help to categorize your content and make it discoverable. Including relevant hashtags in your video's description can make your video appear in the results when viewers click or search for a specific hashtag. This can increase your video's exposure and potentially bring in a new audience. 4. Choose the right time to post. Believe it or not, the timing of your video uploads can significantly influence the initial views, engagement, and even the long-term success of your content, because posting at the right time can help ensure that your video reaches your audience when they are most likely to be online and browsing. YouTube's algorithm tends to favor videos that gain a lot of views and engagement shortly after being posted. So, if you post your video at a time when most of your audience is online, you can boost your chances of getting those initial views and engagements that are so crucial for video ranking. The 3 recommendations of developing this part would be to first understand your audience, use Google Analytics, and experimenting diverse times of the day to post and analyze the results. 5. Promote your content. We are sure that no success is guaranteed without some hard work and investments. Promoting your YouTube channel combined with the above steps could lead you to a unique formula to develop your subscribers' community. Choosing the right settings for a YouTube ad campaign is important, so consider making a research about how YouTube ads are working before you open your wallet. Remember, each of these steps is crucial in building your channel from the ground up. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop a comment below.